Hello everyone, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video I will show you 100% working solution to fix Windows 11 update problem. If your Windows update is stuck, not installing or showing any error, if you are facing any kind of problem, so watch this video till end very carefully. So let's get started. The first step is to stop the Windows update services. To do this guys, press Windows key button and here you need to type services and then hit enter from your keyboard, and in these services you need to find out Windows update. So Windows update is here, right click on it. We need to stop this because it locks Windows file and prevent us for deleting them. After stopping, just close your services menu, everything. Now you need to open the file explorer. In the file explorer, open the C drive. Here you need to search software distribution folder. Double click and open that folder. This folder contains old and corrupted updated files. Select the all files and folder and simply we need to delete this. Okay, don't worry, Windows will automatically recreate it with a fresh update files. Now once again you need to start that service. Press Windows key button and here you need to search services once again. And in these services you need to find out Windows update once again and need to start the service. Right click on it and simply from here you need to select start option. This will restart the update engine with the clean file. Once again try to update your PC. Go to Windows settings, go to Windows update and click on check for update. Now it will start updating your PC. It will fix your problem. Still the problem is same, you can try the next method. In the Windows settings only guys, go to system, here scroll down and find out troubleshoot and open it. Okay, click on other troubleshoot. From here you need to run Windows update troubleshooter. This will automatically repair any missing or damaged update component. Okay, so just follow the on-screen process instruction to complete the Windows troubleshooting process. After doing this guys, once again in the Windows settings, go to Windows update, click on check for update. If the update is available, go ahead, update your PC. This will help you to fix your problem. Also you need to check your PC internet connection, how your internet is performing. If there is no internet connection, at that time you can't able to update your PC. One more thing, you need to check your PC date and time setting as well. In the Windows settings, go to time and language, click on date and time setting. From here you need to correct your date and time. That's it. After doing this all thing guys, open Windows settings once again, go to Windows update, click on check for update. In most cases your Windows 11 will now download and install update normally without any errors. If these methods work for you, make sure to leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tech video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.